Hello everyone, my name is Himanshi and I'm currently working as a marketing manager at Rentomojo. Before Rentomojo, I have worked with multiple companies like College Dunya, Henry Hub in Education, Joe Stocks, and LTI. Today I'm trying this new tool by Apna called AI Job Prep Interview Tool. And since I'm looking for my next role, I'm targeting the role of a content marketing director. And I see there are many more interview prep for these companies. Some of them are my dream companies. So today I'm targeting Meta. So let's see how it goes. And as I can see, there are three rounds. First is the recruiter screening round. Second is the content strategy and execution deep dive. And third is the meta values and leadership assessment. I'm starting with the first round, which is the recruiter screening round.
Hello, Himanshi Lodha. I am Isha. Welcome to Apna AI interview prep. Shall we get started?
Okay, Isha, let's get started.
Let's dive right in. To start, can you tell me about a content marketing campaign you led at Rentomojo that significantly contributed to user growth? What was your strategy and what were the results?
So there was this one time when I have led this content marketing campaign, which was solely based on growing new segment of users. So what I did was um, I find a new target market, which is landlords. So since landlords are the one, once they lend a home, if it is fully furnished, they can charge more. If it is not fully furnished, they get half of the rent because people are not ready to pay them more. So what I did was I assessed this point and I went back to my team and I told them that, hey, if we target landlords, then they can earn more by renting out our items, and at the same time, we will also uh, be able to get more users. So then I went to the team, I asked them, and they quite liked the idea. After doing the deep dive and data research, we came to this conclusion that this is a very solid piece that can bring in users. We went ahead and we saw that it has really garnered a more revenue as well as new users. So that was a successful campaign that I led at Rento Mojo.
Next question. How do you measure the success of your content marketing campaigns, especially in terms of user growth? What key metrics do you focus on, and how do you use those insights to optimize future campaigns?
So the metrics that we use is definitely first is the CTR, how much CTR we are getting, like, and how much is the impressions, the traffic growth. If we are running any successful campaign, is there any increase in the traffic? We see. Apart from that, we do a lot of research regarding what is currently working, like what is currently on trend, what people are searching about our product, what are the possible questions. We go a lot on answer the public, Google Trends, and then we sort of decide if we are going in the right direction. And that sort of create a base for our future campaigns, and then we move ahead and start our campaigns. So uh, these are the metrics that we usually track, and that's how we go about.
Next question. Can you describe a time when you had to manage a cross functional team to execute a content marketing initiative? How did you ensure alignment and effective collaboration among different stakeholders?
So there was this challenging campaign where we were working with multiple teams, the product team, the sales team, the customer success teams, and all of those teams were not agreeing on a certain idea. And what I did was I used to do a lot of check-ins with them. I used to go with them, sit with them, and let them go through the idea, see if they like the approach that we are going. Used to explain them a lot why we are doing what we are doing, and then after regular check-ins, we used to keep check-ins for impact also, if the idea is bringing any impact. And when once they saw that the idea has some value and some merit in it, it was a breeze taking through them the process, and then it went very smooth. So that's how I went about it.
Thanks for sharing your approach, Himanshi. Last question. Meta values innovation and creativity. Can you share an example where you introduced a creative idea or innovation in your content marketing efforts that led to measurable user growth? What was the idea and how did you implement it?
Right. So, as I mentioned, right, innovation and creativity. So, for Ento there was this one thing that we have started launching retail stores in Bangalore. So, at that time, my idea was to create a store in a way that the structure of the store stand out in the sea of normal stores and everything. So what we did was we strategically put our store in terms of traffic signals. We have rented out a place which in front of traffic signals, so people will stop, people will look here and there, and once they see, they will see, oh, the stores look very different, the innovation is very different, the architecture is very different.
Let's quickly wrap up this session. Himanshi, here's your feedback. Strengths. You demonstrated a clear understanding of targeting new user segments like landlords, which shows strategic thinking aligned with user growth. Your approach to cross functional collaboration reflects strong interpersonal skills and persistence in aligning diverse teams. You actively stay updated with industry trends through webinars, research, and peer learning. Areas to improve. Your answers sometimes lack structure and clarity. For example, when describing campaigns or strategies, try to follow a clear framework like situation, task, action, result, star to make your points more impactful.
It was very fun interviewing for the content marketing director role at Meta. I've learned how can I approach it better with the regular feedback that the tool has given to me. Now I'm waiting for my interview report to get generated. And as I can see, they have given me a detailed report which talks about my performance score, my key strengths and areas of improvement, detailed breakdown of the answers that I have given, which I will go through. And they have given me AI improved answers as well. How can I structure it better? That's very, very helpful. They have given me some question bank as well. So, depending on the each round that I have given, they have given me some suggested question that the interview might ask in the actual interview. I think with this tool in my hand, I can definitely grab my dream role at Meta. I will keep interviewing for more roles and see how can I actually perform. So it's like my best interview buddy.